Hey, what's up? So, yeah, it's been a while since my last video, but there'll be another one right now. um, so, I have a few Q-tips, so, let's get started. I just woke up a little while ago, so, I'm already sometimes when I wake up, I'm already congested, little, you know. Mm. Uh, oh, it really, that kind of burns. Mm. Oh my god. Okay. Um. Um. Shit, 3 minutes. Wow. Hmm. What the? Okay. That was really weird. I can't press rewind now, but if you do, I think that was 3 sneezes in a row. But that last one, yeah, it sounded like coughs at the end. It was really weird. I don't know. But alright. Oh my god. Okay. Um. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, that was weird. Yeah, there's new light bulbs in my lamp on my ceiling. And sometimes, like, the bright light makes me sneeze too. It's just, but not all the time. Like, if I go out walking and look up at the sun, it doesn't always. So I don't know. I guess it doesn't all the time. But yeah, sometimes I guess. So it's kind of weird, but yeah. Well, okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that made it like my eye too. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a good way to start off the day and the new year. January 2nd already, but it's still new in the new year, 2013. Okay, so happy new year, and I'm glad to get, I hope I got this video, started right, with the new year. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know I did, and my nose did too, and yeah, happy new year, and I hope to make some more videos, and send me requests, by the way, too. So any requests you have, PM me, like inbox, like message, or even just write a comment, just whatever. Doesn't matter. I'll like respond to anything. Alright, happy new year. I'll see you guys.